Respected principal, teachers and my dear friends, I am here to say a few words about Republic Day. Before moving forward, I would like to wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Today we celebrate the 72nd Republic Day of our nation. Republic Day has been celebrated every year on January 26 since 1950 to honor the day in which the Constitution of India came into effect. We got our independence on August 15, 1947 from the British. However, the Constitution came into effect on January 26, 1950. Since then, we celebrate the Republic Day. Republic means that the citizen of the country holds the supreme power to elect their representatives. The Constitution of India gives everyone the equal rights, despite any differences like caste, religion or gender. India was a colony under the British rule and got independence from the British Raj following the Indian independence movement. While the India get freedom, it doesn't have a permanent constitution. The laws of India were the modified version of the British. However, on 28 August 1947, a committee was formed for drafting the permanent constitution with B.R. Ambedkar as the chairman. After a lot of hard work, India got its permanent constitution and January 26 was chosen as the day to declare India as a sovereign republic. For the past 72 years, India had came through many changes. India had come to the hands of people and India became a democratic country. I am proud to be a citizen of India, which ensures each citizen's fundamental right, for example, equality, freedom and education. In this auspicious occasion, let's bow our head before the great leaders and freedom fighters. This is an occasion to reaffirm our commitments to unity in diversity, fraternity and equality. I am concluding my words. Thank you and Jai Hind.
तुझ पे कोई हम की आज आन नहीं दूं,
तुझ पे कोई हम की आज आन नहीं दूं,
कुर्बान मेरा नाम मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी। मेरा धर्म सत्य और अहिंसा पर आधारित है। सत्य मेरा भगवान है, अहिंसा उसे पाने का साधन। मेरा जीवन ही मेरा संदेश है। जय हिंद।
A very warm good morning to all. Wish you all a very happy Republic Day. It is an important day in the life of every Indian citizen. Today, a few Indian citizens talk about the fear of losing the basic rights that the Constitution has given us. This day becomes more important. Although we celebrate Republic Day as a national festival since our childhood, but we understand the real importance of this day only when we grew up. Republic Day is celebrated on 26 January every year. Our constitution on this day in the year 1951, our constitution came into effect. Our constitution provides us various rights and responsibilities too. India is a democratic country where all its citizens enjoy its fundamental rights. In our society, there are different castes, religion and many other things which separate us. But on a broader picture, we all are Indians. India is a land in which it is a great example of unity in diversity. On this day, various awards and medals of the bravery are also given to the armed forces and to the civilians too. The main attraction of the bravery awards is the young kids who is awarded by the Prime Minister for showing the ultimate bravery besides being young to save other people's life. When the helicopters of the armed forces fly past the parade and showers the rose petals on the audience, everyone feels special. The program ends with the national anthem. Whether we are on home or watching parade, we personally stood up to respect our national anthem. The military parade starts from the Vijay Chowk and culminates in the Red Fort of the national capital, that is Delhi. The weapons and the equipments that are shown by the army reflects the power of our armed forces. It's a day that makes us think beyond caste, greed, religion, state, language and color. And it makes all of us feel the same emotion for loving our nation. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Failure comes only when we forget our ideals and objectives and principles. Success belongs to those who act boldly without being afraid of consequences.
It is bread alone that can pay the price of freedom. Give me bread and I will give you freedom.
Good morning, everybody. Respected principal, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. Today I am going to share with you a few words about Republic Day. First, I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. This year, we are celebrating our 72nd Republic Day. We celebrate Republic Day on 26th January every year. Before independence, India was under British rule. On this day, the Constitution of India came into force in 1950. Hence, this day is very important for us. Our Constitution is the largest written constitution in the whole world. Dr. Ambedkar is the father of our Constitution. Today we are a great republic. Republic means a country whose leader is a president, not a king or queen. Let's work to make our country the best country in the world. I am proud that I am an Indian. I love my India. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
रांझना वे तेरी सांसों पे थोड़ा सा वतन का भी हक था। ना देख मुझे यूं मुड़ मुड़ के, तेरा मेरा साथ यही तक था। ये तेरी ज़मीं तेरे खून से ही तो सजती संवरती है रांझे। तेरे इश्क की मैं हकदार नहीं, तेरी हीर तो धरती है रांझे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के, मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।